Well, he don't want to beat you up no more. Get him, Jesse. Get him. Get him. Yeah, get him. Don't kick Hayden. You see her? Don't kick her. Get his belly button. Get him, Miss Hayden. Get him. Come on, Miss Hayden. Get him. Are you couch surfing? Are you couch surfing, Miss Hayden?
If you beat babies up, they'll beat you back.
That's right. Miss Hayden.
And if you open up doors with keys, they'll open up doors.
Yeah, they usually learn from you. Come on, Miss Hayden.
And if you play with keys, they'll play with keys.
Miss Hayden. Miss Hayden. What are you doing? Hi. Hi. Here she comes. Don't cut that on. Hi. What are you doing?
Why? Because your video?
Mm-hmm. Hey, where are you going? You got my bottle? Everybody likes to play with my bottle. Hi. Miss Hayden. Hi.